Hi everyone, let's see how you can resolve Playstore not working or not downloading app on Vivo Y28. Before starting this video, please subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.